Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today is a quick unboxing video of my design team package that I received from Erica, Scrap Diva Designs. Just got this yesterday in my mail, so need to do a quick video today so I can start using these yummy products. Okay, so let me start off and tell you, I'm going to give you the prices of each thing. I will have Erica's information linked, her website linked, my affiliate link posted down below. I will link all the products below also. Make sure you guys follow the hashtag Scrap Diva Designs. That will give you tons of inspiration on all the things that people are making and posting. I have a discount code if you decide to purchase anything. It's Polka10, that's P-O-L-K-A 10, and that will give you 10% off of your order. Okay, let's jump in. First off, this really fun die here is called the Double Loop Scalloped Bow number 2. It is $16.99. And as you can see, there are 2 different sizes. So love that a lot of times you buy a bow and you just get one size. I like that you get Erica usually does at least 2 and sometimes 3 of the same thing, but it gives you a bunch of different sizes. Okay, so this is $16.99. Again, it is called Double Loop Scalloped Bow number 2. So really fun. Love this kind of doily scalloped edge there. Really fun. So that's the first die. Next up is the butterfly rosette. I've seen a lot of these people making this already. The people who've already received their design team package have jumped right in and got some examples made. So this looks fun. And again, 2 different sizes. And it is $20. Okay. And then this one is called Flower Shaker Mini Album. It's $23.99. And so here's the outline layer, the stitched layer. We got a little scalloped heart. The word love and you, and they both have the shadow piece also. And then here is the other. This is the piece to make make it into shaker if you want to. And then we have this stitched heart right here. So cute. So this is going to be fun. Make some fun spring and summer projects out of this flower. Really cute. Okay, next we have the bag maker. So here's your size and your bottom. This will be a staple that you're going to need for your stash. Bag maker, $14. Nice. Love that. And let me measure this just to kind of give you an idea. So the height is going to be about 5 inches, and the width will be about 1 and a little over 1.5. Yep, and the width of the bottom is about almost 3 3/4. And well, this will be the same. About 1 3/4. So that will be handy. So there's that one. Next up is the butterfly bow. Look how fun that is. Cool. And again, like I was mentioning, 3 complete different sizes. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, are these all the same? No, these are all different sizes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, fun. I love how these, I mean, some of them can be layered, but you could do, each one just single if you want to. But you got this size of the just plain piece, and you have the same size of the one with the holes on the bottom to layer it up, and then same with these 2. Okay, and then I'm sure these 2 probably layer up, and these 2 probably layer up. I haven't worked with it yet, so I don't not know for sure, but that's what it looks like to me. So fun. That will be so fun for the projects. So butterfly bow, $16. Okay. This is called Mason Jar Mini Album. I've seen a couple people making this one already too. So here's your base piece with the side to as the way to bind it. Has this layered up macaroon you can use, a cute little bow, 2 size hearts, 2 cute little candies to you could fill the jar with. And then here is the stitch piece and the piece to make it a shaker. Some like sweet tart candies, a cute little bear if you want to make like gummy bears in there. Fun. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, so this again is Mason Jar Mini Album. It is $25. And then lastly, oh, this is, I've seen a ton of cute things with this one already. It is called 3D Heart Umbrella. It's $28. So you have your base piece and your layering piece. And apparently you cut this one out 8 times. This is the layering piece. It has 2 different edges you can use on the edge of the thing, either the scalloped or the scalloped with the hearts. This is the handle at the top, and then this is the piece that goes around like for the top. So here's this is the you know, the handle, and then this part goes around the top, and then that little piece I showed you the other side pulls up through there, and then that's the handle. And then here's another layering piece. I think this one is smaller than this one, so there's 2 different ones. Okay, some really cute projects coming out with this. So cute, and it's a good size 3D project from what I've seen everybody making. So anyway, should be fun. So 3D Heart Umbrella, $28. Okay, so that is it for this package. Again, check out all of Erica's info. Make sure you follow her hashtag ScrapDivaDesigns. I will link the website, all the products that I just shared with you, my affiliate link, my discount code, all that will be linked in the description box. Thank you again for watching, and I'm going to get started. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.